Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or move a task to another list in Clickup quickly and correctly. This is an incredibly useful feature if you manage multiple projects, organize workflows across departments, or simply want better control over how tasks are structured inside your workspace. As projects evolve, tasks often need to be reorganized, reassigned, or transferred into different lists to match changing priorities. Fortunately, Clickup makes this process very simple once you know exactly where to look. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to locate a task, open the Move options, select a destination list, and make sure everything transfers properly without losing important information. Let's get started. First, open Clickup on preferred web browser. After opening, you'll land inside your Clickup workspace. This is where all your spaces, folders, lists, and tasks are organized. Now, navigate through your workspace structure to locate the task you want to move. Depending on how your workspace is organized, this task could be inside a specific space, folder, or list. Once you find the task, click on it to open the Task Details panel. Before moving forward, take a quick moment to confirm that this is the correct task. This may sound simple, but it's an important habit, especially when working with larger projects where multiple tasks may have similar names. Now, direct your attention toward the top right area of the task window. You'll see a three-dot icon, commonly called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several task management options. From this list, select Move. This is the feature that allows you to transfer tasks between different lists inside your Clickup workspace. Once the Move window opens, Clickup will display the available spaces, folders, and lists that you have access to. Before selecting a destination, here are a few helpful tips that can make the process smoother. First, make sure the destination list already exists. If it hasn't been created yet, you may need to set it up beforehand. Second, confirm that you have permission to move tasks into that location. In shared workspaces, certain lists or folders may have restricted access depending on team settings. Third, double-check the list name before confirming the move. This helps prevent tasks from accidentally ending up in the wrong workflow or department. Now simply click on the list where you want the task to go. As soon as you select the destination, Clickup will automatically move the task to the new list. The great thing about this feature is that it usually keeps the task details intact, including descriptions, comments, attachments, subtasks, and assigned team members. This means you don't need to recreate anything manually after the transfer. It's also a good idea to open the destination list afterward and confirm the task appears exactly where you want it. This quick verification step helps ensure everything transferred successfully and avoids confusion later. Another useful thing to know is that moving tasks can help improve workspace organization significantly over time. Many teams use separate lists for different project phases, such as planning, active work, review, and completed tasks. Moving items between these lists creates a much cleaner workflow and helps everyone stay aligned on project progress. You can also combine this process with Clickup automations. For example, some teams automatically move tasks into new lists whenever a status changes or certain conditions are met. This can save even more time and reduce manual organization work. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can move and organize tasks across different lists in Clickup quickly, accurately, and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.